Here's a quick tutorial on how to add stickers in Xodo. Hi, I'm Thass from Plan, and today I'm going to show you how to import Xodo digital plan stickers. Let's start by opening the app and the document where you want to import your digital stickers. So here in my planner, I have this tab just for digital stickers. I will swipe to the side to add stickers to the next page. You can add stickers by using the image tool from the toolbar. To open the toolbar, just click on this icon at the top. Here you'll find all the tools that you can use to edit this PDF. Now we have to tap on the image tool. Just be aware that the image tool, the stamp tool, and the signature tool, they all take the same space on the dashboard, so you may have to click on this twice to find the image tool under there. Once you select the image tool, just tap anywhere on the page to prompt this box. In here, you can choose where you want to get your stickers from. I've downloaded my stickers to this device, so I will just click on Documents to open my folder. In this window, I'll search for my stickers. But if it's not the correct folder for you, you just click on the top corner here to look for the right folder. Once you find what you are looking for, just click to import. Now that this digital sticker is in Xodo, I can move, copy, and use this image on other pages or other documents. This tablet is a few years old, and it doesn't have the multi-window feature that some of the newer tablets have. So I cannot import stickers by dragging and dropping images with the split view. That means that adding stickers to this old tablet of mine will take a lot longer than if I had to add stickers using a newer tablet with the multi-window feature, or my iPad for instance. But as long as your stickers are pre-cropped beforehand, this method of importing stickers would still work fine in any kind of Android tablet. I have other Xodo digital planning tutorials, so just click on the video on your screen to learn more.